Welcome back to Nub's Fragrance. I got another box in. This is a clone of Tom Ford Tuscan Leather by Mason Alhambra. There we go. And from the pictures, it looked like they even cloned the bottle design. Man, this one does not like to come apart. There we go. I say they sealed that one really good. Don't need that. Alright. Here's the box. You have the information on the back, the ingredients, blah 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 blah. Let me know if anyone actually reads that stuff. I don't. Sometimes you'll have the notes on the back, which is nice, but for extra just ingredients, I don't care. And here's the bottle, just like a Tom Ford, just sits right inside the box. So if you can't tell that that's a Tom Ford Tuscan Leather from the Signature Collection, I don't know what you can't tell, because this is so obviously a knockoff. Let's see how it smells. Great on the box. Ooh, that measures really good. Oh yeah, that's Tuscan Leather. Instantly you can tell, you can smell it. You can smell the little fruit hint on top of the leather. Oh, I forgot how good Tuscan Leather is. And this, being a knockoff, which I think this cost me like $28 on Fragrance Buy. I mean, this is nothing. You're getting that same hint, like it's the power, the performance. Like from over here, as soon as I sprayed it, I could smell it. Oh, I'm excited for the fall to wear this. So again, this is the first time I'm smelling this one. I will do some wearings on it and see if I like it, see what the performance is like in the projection. So I'll get back with you on that in a future video. So can't wait to try this one out this fall.